Alrighty, here we go. Here's Daddy's birthday cupcake. It's his 32nd birthday today. It's Friday and we're wearing our red shirts and it's Daddy's birthday. You ready to sing happy birthday? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. You see that flag? There you go. Okay, let's make a wish. 1, 2. Make a wish, Daddy. We're gonna blow it out. And 3. Oh, what's all that smoke? Smoke! Goodness gracious. Ready for your cupcake? Your first cupcake? Is Daddy ready for Dane's first cupcake? Yum, 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 yum. Here we go. Ready? Dig in. It's your first cupcake. That fly doesn't want any cupcakes, no. It's your first cupcake. Yeah. Your first cupcake. Yeah. Oh. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yeah. Mmm. How's that taste? Yummy? Is the cupcake yummy? Oh, Daddy, I think he likes it. Say happy birthday, Daddy. Yum. Yum. Yeah. Oh, the fly is excited too. Is that yummy? Yummy, yummy cake. Say, Daddy, I want you to have a birthday every day. Cupcakes are yummy. Want some milk? Milk? Say yes, please. Mmm. Oh, goodness. Yeah. Cupcake? It's all over now, isn't it? You want some more? Is that the problem? Here, eat some of this. Right there.